Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about red pixie hair and the tips for maintaining red hair color. Red pixie hair can look so bold and stunning. It's a daring choice that can really make a statement. If you're thinking about going for a red pixie cut, make sure to choose a shade that complements your skin tone. It's all about finding the right red for you. To maintain red hair color, it's important to use color safe shampoo and conditioner to help preserve the vibrancy of red tones. Washing your hair with cool water can also help prevent the color from fading too quickly. Additionally, using a color protecting hair mask once a week can keep your red hair looking fresh and vibrant. Use heat styling tools sparingly can help maintain the vibrancy of red hair color. Embracing natural textures or optioning for a heatless style methods can also help preserve your red hair color. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.